Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to talk about how to get NBI clearance online. So papakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano kumuha ng NBI clearance online. No? So, stay there. Okay guys, so ang una yung gagawin, punta kayo ng Google Chrome, tapos i-type nyo clearance.nbi.gov.ph. And then it will route you to the Republic of the Philippines Department of Justice National Bureau of Investigation. Scroll down, you can see NBI Clearance e-services. So you can see notice for first applicants, renewal, and for correction or changes of name. So you may present 2 valid government IDs such as UMID, passport, driver's license, birth certificate, etc. Now please keep in mind that non-government issued IDs such as company ID and barangay clearance are not accepted as valid ID. So if you have online account na guys for NBI, you can type your email and then your password and then sign in. And then if you don't have any NBI clearance issued from 2014 to present, click no and then fill out the details below. Okay? So you just have to click on the boxes and then choose the information that is needed. Okay, and then type your name, middle name, and your surname. And then after, email address and your contact number. Naka-blur guys kasi, you know, security reasons. So you need to put password. Okay, confirm password, and then after that, tick on the read and accept terms of service. So you need to read that and then click on agree afterwards. Okay, and you need to tick on the I am not a robot and then sign up. Okay, and after that, you will receive email confirmation. So you can now sign into your NBI account online. So sign in. Okay, and then it will route you to the page where you can see your information. So here you can see your name and then your details below, the one that we filled out a while ago. You can also add picture if you want. And then you can see on the right hand, you apply for clearance and edit information. If you want to edit your information, you can click on that. And then yes, edit your information there and then click save and continue. And then if you want to apply for clearance, click on apply for clearance and then choose the type of ID that you're going to bring and make sure to bring it with you on the day of con. And then your registration code reference number will be provided once you select your payment option. So your reference number guys should be your gate pass when you go to the NBI clearance. Okay, and yes, mag-schedule na tayo ng appointment. So please select branch. So type ko lang Cebu. Okay, capital. Click on that and then choose your desired date of appointment. So try natin 23. Yeah, for morning schedule. Okay, and once you click on that date, you will see your appointment schedule on the right hand corner. So ito yung particular and then amount, multi-purpose clearance 130. So additional fee of 25 pesos to use this e-payment service. I mean, ito makikita nyo Friday, August 23, 2019. That's anong branch. You can choose your payment option if you're over the counter, so pay cash over the counter by like BDO, Metrobank, BPI, blah blah blah. And then online bank, pay online using online banking, partners with BDO, BPI Express Online, blah blah blah. And bayad center for LBC, yung mga Palawan Pawn Shop. Yan, kakita nyo dyan lahat. Okay, and then Bayad Center mobile app, pay using your Bayad Center app. Just download the app by Google Play Store and then Easy Pay. So you can pay it on any easy pay. Then ito 7-Eleven. This one we will use 7-Eleven. Just proceed to pay 7-Eleven. Then once you click proceed to payment, here are the next steps. So 7-Eleven page will open with your reference number to go to the nearest 7-Eleven branch using the reference number. So proceed. So ito yung babayaran natin, 130 plus yung 25 pesos for the e-payment service. Okay. So proceed to payment and it will give you a reference number. So dalhin nyo yung reference number na yan, screenshot nyo lang sa phone nyo or what, picturean nyo sa laptop or whatever. So yes, you can see here sa transactions, ito yung previous transaction ko, yung paid. So yung pending yung sa August 23 blah 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 appointment. So hindi yung payment date naka-blank pa siya kasi hindi pa siya nabayaran. So punta tayo ng 7-Eleven para mabayaran siya. Yun na. After that, guys, you can go to NBI, your nearest NBI office, so you can process your NBI clearance. So, yun na nga guys, napakadali lang kumuha ng NBI clearance online, no? So, yes, and before anything else, don't forget to bring the reference number with you once you go to the NBI office and the ID that you have, you know, na-input mo dun sa details a while ago. So yeah, you need to bring that one with you, the ID and the reference number. Okay, and once you go to the NBI office, you don't need to line sa payment section. You need to go directly to the data capturing section where they will get your fingerprints and your ID picture. Okay, and once you're done with that, so you need to wait if with hit ka or no hit. So if with hit ka, it means that you have, you know, same names with the person that may kaso sa NBI. And if you're no hit, so don't worry, so you will receive your NBI clearance immediately on that day. Alright, so yes, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just give this a thumbs up. Comment down below for your comments, of course, suggestions and recommendations. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye for now!